Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to say long time no talk, but actually it has not been that long since we last spoke because I went on live a couple days ago. Was it yesterday? I don't know, maybe. No, a couple days ago. So anyways, I told you guys I would have a video up today, or well, tonight now. But yeah, so let's just jump right into it. I probably should get the product. Do better, Danielle. Hold please. Okay, I'm back. Today I wanted to review for you guys the L'Oreal. I don't know if it's supposed to be Elvive or Elvive or Elvive. I mean, there's no accent over the E, so no for Elvive? I don't know. But anyway, extraordinary oil, and this is the Curl Reviving Butter Balm. This is one that I picked up when I showed you guys my last like super huge haul when it was from Target and Sally's, and I think that was it. Maybe Ulta, I can't remember. I'll link the haul below if you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, this one has flower oil and amla extract, and I was intrigued by this because I always see amla oil and I don't know, I always see it and I always hear great things about it. So I mean, I know if it's in like a drugstore product, I'm probably not getting the most out of it, but I was still intrigued. And this bad boy was on a clearance for $3.96. It says it was $3.69 or $5.69. I don't know if that's the normal price or if that's just what it was marked down from. But yeah, let's jump right into this. So do not like my background. I have a lot going on. All right, I have a LaCroix. Where is it? Nope, that way. I have a LaCroix drink right there, and then I have my Teamy tumbler right there. I also kind of made up my bed, but not for real. And then that bad boy right there is my coat. So, you know, just so y'all know, my background is not glamorous today. All right, yeah. So yeah. So anyways, it says, I actually can't see what it says because this is strategically placed over it. Okay, it just says system revives in one wash. It gives intense nutrition, and yeah, so apparently it's supposed to revive your hair. It's supposed to give your hair nutrients and all of this. Yeah, and it says our system instantly penetrates to quench and calm even very dry hair. That's weird the way they said that. Anyways, to quench and calm even very dry hair, curly hair with hydration, and I don't like the way they worded that. Whatever. Curly hair with hydration and nutrition for restored and redefined curls. My thoughts on it. If you hear jingling, it's Dash walking around. What are you doing? Stop. Get Dash. So where was I? So anyways, first thoughts. As you guys can see, when I'm gliding the product through my hair, I have a decent amount of slip. Nothing super crazy. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good, but I mean, it's not all of that. I did like how thick the product was, and I also like the smell. It's kind of it smells like a buttery type of, like a buttery sweet smell. It reminds me a lot of the Garnier Whole Blends line, the avocado one that I did, and I'll link that video below if you haven't seen my review on that. And I absolutely love that, and it reminds me of that in a lot of ways, but I just didn't like it as much. I don't feel like it coated my strands as well. I don't feel like it was as nourishing, as moisturizing. It was okay. I mean, like, I wasn't mad. I don't feel like I overpaid for it. Like, I feel like $4 was a good price for it. But little boy, why you gotta make so much noise? Huh, kid? He normally doesn't have a collar on. That's why you normally don't hear him. Jeez Louise, kiddo. Thanks. Hey, can you just for like a second? I love you, boo-boosh. You're my hero. So yeah, I just wasn't completely sold on it, as far as like, so anyways, when I set up under the heating cap with the product for 20 minutes and I rinsed my hair out, and I didn't, you really gotta come right over here. Come here, dude. Come here, blue dude. Is that better? Okay, blue dude, that's better. Yeah, so I just thought it was okay. I feel like this product could be great if it's was a bit more nourishing. Like I said, it reminded me a lot of the Garnier Whole Blends one, but it kind of fell short. Like whereas that Garnier Whole Blends one, I was completely sold on it. Like that is like a holy grail product for me, especially, you know, if I'm in a bind and I need to buy something inexpensive that I know is going to work. And even if I'm not in a bind, like I know that product delivers every single time. This one, it was just okay. I think if you tried it, you would like it, but you wouldn't be like, oh my god, it's the best thing ever. I think you would just be more like, it was cute, she was cool. And y'all know me, like there's stuff that's cute and there's stuff that's cute, and this was just cute. It wasn't cute, you know, the second cute that matters. Like, you know, someone be like, hey, you know Steve? And you'd be like, I don't know Steve. Like, you know Steve. It's like that, right, y'all? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Yeah. So, anywho's, when I rinsed the product out of my hair, I noticed that it wasn't as soft as I thought it was gonna be. I didn't feel like my curls were like super defined or anything. It just kind of felt like my hair had been, you know, maybe I left like a traditional conditioner in for a longer amount of time. But when I'm thinking of like a deep treatment or a deep conditioner or some type of mask, I want to see a noticeable difference in my hair, you know, before I, you know, wash it and after I wash it, or rinse it out, I should say. So I don't know. Would I repurchase it again? No. But do I think it's a good product? I do think it's a good product. I just don't think it's great. And the way my product stash is set up, I just don't have time for only good products. I only got space for great, you know? So yeah, I think that is it. I hope I didn't miss anything. Yeah, all right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, and I got a really cute video coming up for you guys. Well, not like cute, but I mean, no, it's cute, but you'll see. Anywho's, yeah. All right, see you in the next video. Bye guys.